Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Excel range versus table full comparison. Open a blank workbook and select a few cells to create a range, then observe behavior when you add rows. Watch how formulas, formatting, and references behave without automatic expansion. I will show common pitfalls, quick fixes, and when a simple range makes sense. Follow along and try each step in your own file for hands-on learning. A table in Excel brings built-in intelligence and neat formatting that save time and reduce errors. Convert a range to a table to get auto expansion, structured references, and consistent styling across new rows. Tables make formulas easier to read and maintain, especially when collaborating or importing data. I will demonstrate how to toggle features, use header filters, and leverage totals to speed your workflow, step by step, with clear examples. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and stay updated. Also, a quick recommendation for comfortable reading between spreadsheets. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for study breaks, and I've linked the deal in the description. Check the description for that link and other deals you might find useful. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Deciding between a range and a table depends on your project scope and maintenance needs. For quick one-off analyses, a range is fast and flexible, but it can become fragile as data grows. For regular reports, lists, or shared workbooks, a table reduces manual updates and prevents broken formulas. I will compare scenarios like imports, pivot preparation, and formula robustness so you can pick the right structure for each task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.